This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, West Michigan. 5:12 now. We are kicking off what will be an active and wet weather day here around the Great Lakes region. Showers, locally heavy rain, and the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms rolling through the area as well. The greatest threats here, as Matt's been analyzing and outlining for you all morning long, damaging winds and some locally heavy rainfall. And of course, with frequent lightning in the mix as well, it could get to be, again, a really potentially dangerous afternoon and evening across the area. Temperatures this morning holding in the 60s. A few spots are in the upper 50s, and I did a little checking here. Mount Pleasant, the visibility is down to a mile or less. Coldwater at about 2.5 miles. So the bottom line, there will be some patchy fog this morning. Not nearly the widespread dense fog that we had in the area yesterday, but the potential will be there today for some localized visibility issues. You can see here what I'm tracking this morning on Storm Track Live radar. There is some rain here back to the west, and again, this is just plain old rain right now, located in central and even western sections of Wisconsin. Also tracking again the leading edge of some really heavy thunder showers here through central Iowa. There's no severe weather indicated right now, but again, as this line continues to track eastward, we put a distance tracker on this, and again, if it holds together, it's going to be tracking to the east. For the most part, we're going to be looking at that moving to the east at about 40 to even 45 miles per hour. So it's caught up in the upper level steering winds of the atmosphere. And so as it continues to press eastward, we're looking at a distance tracker here, and that'll be moving onshore along Lake Michigan shoreline around 12:30, maybe 12:45 this afternoon, and continuing to track eastward. Again, a little bit of a variability as to exactly how intense it's going to be when it arrives. But the bottom line here, it does not look as though it will produce some severe weather. So a couple of waves of showers and thunder showers rolling through prior to 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. The really intense weather arrives, it appears, this evening, though we are waiting for new computer model data to clear the tracking center within the next hour or so, and we'll have the breakdown on that, the latest projections of the timeline. But again, this looks to be at least the best bet for where the most intense weather will be, and that will be south of the I-96 corridor. So showers and storms by daybreak tomorrow. That area of active weather will be pressing eastward, and as it does, it'll open the door for sunshine to return. Again, tomorrow will be a gorgeous day here, returning to sunshine, less humidity, high temperatures in the mid-70s. Gorgeous weather again here for Friday as well. A few more showers and storms developing later Saturday into Sunday and Monday. And at this point, we've got a really pleasant air mass that appears starting to nudge in as we head into the middle to tail end of next week. But again, today, slight risk area for severe weather includes all of our viewing area. The moderate risk from Van Buren, southern Kalamazoo County southward. Only get into a moderate risk area a couple of times a year here in West Michigan. Okay. So this is a day where really pay careful attention, even extra vigilant, tracking the potential for severe weather. And again, as Matt's been talking about, locally heavy rainfall and the potential for some damaging straight line winds. So we're going to watch those two variables particularly closely.